Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azharam Ahmad.
And my name is Muhammad Alif Bukli Bisam Subari.
We are a group on a topic of business. Our topic is providing coding project services for electrical services. In our project, we have most of the coding the chapters that we learn throughout the semester. For starters, we include stdio and std library. We begin our coding with int main. Some of it integer, for example, int attempt, num, some price. Mostly we use the basic calculation to calculate the bill and calculation for the cost for any electrical devices. These are our coding, as you can see. Through until the end. As you can see, we use most of the lessons what we learn in our subject, and as you can see, now we can begin the demonstration of our coding. Okay, starters. Okay, input name. For example, I input my name. Next, I input my state of residence. And my contact number. As you can see, the coding restate my input, and stated also the PDPA disclaimer saying that the information of any user will be protected. And now we can continue to the next menu.
Okay. From this, user must pick between number 1 to number 3 for the desired service. For example, number 1 is wiring and installation, number 2 maintenance, number 3 electrical inspection, and number 4 exit. For number 1, they choose wiring. It will go to wiring, and they must pick between S or T for type of wiring, such as S single phase and T three phase. So we choose, for example, S single phase, and then they must enter the required service. For required service, for example, this is dB, which is the distribution box, and they must input how much that they want to service. For example, for 1 dB, and then for the switch socket, they put 3, and then for the light they put 4, for example. And then for that, we can get the amount of subject that we want to put, and then we must select order option. For example, we select 1 to confirm, and then from there they have a total cost of the material and the total sum with pay with some of the labor cost, and from there we can continue or we can go to cancel. For example, we go to continue, and then from there the customer history will be put there, which is the nickname, phone number, and total cost. And then we go through to number 1 to continue again, and then we come back to the same menu, which are picking between number 1 to number 3 services. And then for next, we go to Azhar.
Okay, for example, if I choose any option, for example, option 2, pick which item I want, input the same as before, continue, and here stated again. And next we go to our receipt. The receipt will tell us the ID name, the phone number, contact number, and the total cost. And now, after this, we like to state what happened to the file or the receipt when it is saved. As you can see, this is the output of our customer using the file input output. The benefit of our coding is this our coding can always be repeated until the user decide to exit.
Yes, sir. And for the flowchart here, we got the flowchart here from start. We use user input to output, and then decisions, and then user for select yes or no, and then to the tree of the services, to the decisions, and then they use the same input such as three phase and single phase, and then to the user input the total of service they needed, and then to the display of total payment, and then through that decision they can go back to the menu, or they just go to exit and they have the receipt details, and from there they will go to exit. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for listening and have a nice day.